Nothing OS 4 might just be the company's boldest software leap yet. After years of gradual refinement, Nothing seems ready to reinvent its operating system the way Apple did with its recent iOS updates. While earlier versions of Nothing OS focused on subtle design and minimalism, version 4 is expected to go beyond aesthetics, aiming for a smarter, faster, and more intelligent experience that could completely reshape how users interact with their devices. Built on Android 16 and expected to launch in the last of 2025 or sometime in the mid of 2026, OS 4 is rumored to introduce deeper system-level changes. Early leaks suggest this won't just be a routine update. It could mark a shift in philosophy, where AI and user adaptability are placed at the core of the experience. The goal appears to be a more practical OS that understands user behavior, responds faster, and makes everyday interactions feel seamless. Past versions were frequently criticized for issues like camera bugs, jittery animations, and battery drain problems. OS 4 is expected to address all of that, and more. The software will likely be rebuilt to offer smoother animations, cleaner transitions, and far better system stability. It's not just about fixing old problems. It's about creating a software environment that feels as polished as the hardware it runs on. Nothing also changed how its OS look and feel right now, similar to what company is rumored to do with its Nothing Phone 3 design. What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, battery performance will also get a major upgrade. Smarter background activity management, better charge estimation, and adaptive power modes could significantly extend battery life. Users have long asked for features like more accurate charge predictions and low battery alerts, and Nothing seems ready to deliver. Customization has always been one of Nothing OS's strengths, and OS 4 is expected to take this even further. From custom app layouts to enhanced widget flexibility and improved home screen control, the OS will likely give users more power to personalize their experience. But what makes this version different is that it could be infused with artificial intelligence, rooted deeply into its core. AI integration might be the defining change of OS 4, whether it's smarter camera scene detection, predictive app launches, or intelligent notification filtering. Nothing is expected to bring system-wide intelligence that feels native, not just an add-on. This approach mirrors what Apple recently did with Apple Intelligence, embedding AI into the core of iOS. Nothing could be following the same path, aiming to make its OS more than just a skin on Android. OS 4 will first appear on the Nothing Phone 3 and then roll out to eligible devices like the Phone 2A series and 3A series. With Nothing's consistent track record of supporting older devices, this upgrade is expected to reach a wide audience. And with recent OS updates laying the foundation, this fourth version is being positioned as a major turning point. In short, Nothing OS 4 might not just be an update. It could be a complete rethinking of what the Nothing experience should feel like. Smarter, faster, and more aware of your needs. It's the kind of transformation that could push Nothing into a new league, just like Apple did when it embedded AI deep into iOS. If this is where Nothing is headed, users are in for a big change. What are your thoughts about the Nothing OS 4? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.